Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Maha here with another easy breezy recipe. Today is the second day of our pizza special and I'm making pizza quesadillas. This video is edited a bit differently because my 7-year-old wanted to make it on a book creator app, but don't worry, it turned out really good. That's why I decided to use it. You'll know when her editing starts. These quesadillas are perfect for school lunches or for parties. My kids think the usual quesadillas are way too messy to eat. Hence, I make them like this. Before I start on with my recipe, I'll tell you about the pizza special series. I'm planning to post every day this week till Friday. Yesterday I posted lotus fries and today it's quesadillas. This series is especially for all the moms who are out of ideas and all the kids who love pizzas. So subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get all the updates. Before my daughter's editing starts, I'll let you know that I'm using the same filling in the quesadillas that I used for phyllo ricotta chicken pie. It's really easy to make and I will share its step-by-step recipe with you soon. It's my special pizza filling that I use for many recipes. So starting off with the recipe, here's what you'll need. Large and small wraps. I use 2 sizes. You'll later know why. Pizza sauce, shredded cheddar cheese and cheese slices both, and chicken filling. First, you'll cut the large wraps in 8ths. Just cut quarter way in like shown in the picture. Spread pizza sauce in the center of the large wrap and on one small wrap. Add some chicken filling in the middle and sprinkle some cheddar. You can also use mozzarella. Add 1 cheese slice on the top for some extra cheesiness. Top it with the small wrap with the sauce side facing down. Now take the section part of the large wrap and fold it up on the small wrap. Fold them one by one until all the parts are closed. Press it down firmly with your hand. Grill it until they are golden. You can also pan fry it with a little butter until they become crispy and golden. Let them cool down a little bit before cutting them so that the cheese settles down. You can leave them like this or cut them in halves or quarters. These quesadillas are really filling and scrumptious at the same time. My kids are a big fan of these quesadillas because they don't end up with messy hands. So do give it a try and share your creations at mahas.shack on Instagram. I usually post 2 recipes in a week on Monday and Friday, but as it's a pizza special, I'm posting 1 every day this week. So keep checking in. Comment below and let me know how did your pizza quesadillas turned out. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching.